this out, remove the weather stripping, and then there is some T-25, I think. It's this one. T-25. Ah, T-20. Ah, see, I knew. Wait. Yes. T-20. Alright, this is the last one. Okay, there's a little clip here. Use the correct tool, but I'm a plumber and I only use channel locks. And then this. Alright, so I just kind of pry it on the thing, and then this just pops up and down. Oh yeah, crusty. And I believe there's a few more screws to get this off. Right there, Phillips, and a Phillips, and another Phillips. Okay. Alright, here's the last Phillips. Cleaning up my closet. Alright, I think that's it. Is that it? Oh, what's that? Oh, alright. Oh yeah, I did already break it because I forgot. There's a 8mm right here. So don't forget that when you take out. Well, I guess if you're taking it out, it's already broken, right? Kind of sucks getting this out. Will that stay? Okay. So, in theory, this snapped right in. That was way too easy. Something's got to be wrong. That was way too easy. Alright. First thing I'm doing is put this 8mm back in. I gotta wait a quick wrench. So a speed wrench might be easier, but I live for the pain. Oh God. That's it. Oh. Yes. It's gotta be easier. Oh my Lord. Use a speed wrench, okay? Okay. Now, a Phillips. One of them in here is a Phillips. Check out my flip-flops. Hey, what's that? Alright. So here's one. I guess that's correct. I'm just gonna get them all in. Someone tried to take this off, but this is a little, come on. Where's my damn flathead? Oh, you know what? Duh. Plumbing 101. The camera's killing me. Yeah, baby. So there's a little pin right here that goes in. There's a hole right there. That goes there. This goes. I don't know if I'm going ahead of schedule here, but and the rest just clips in. Stop it. Hell yeah. Not bad. Harbor Freight gun. Gotta do a little polishing. A little wet sanding, but whew. So that's how it's done.